Ah! Jesus! Heavy steering. And all those lights. It sounds better now, but it didn't sound right, did it?
We're off next week, and I says to her, I'm going to put it in and get it checked. I says for the winter coming.
Aye.
Aye, you'll be fine. I says no problem.
The alternator belt's still on. So they said it was the battery. I mean, it's it starts. I mean, it starts alright, but doesn't it? It was a bit sluggish sounding, so I'd maybe start at the battery. It didn't at the garage.
Nothing. You barely had to jump start me.
Aye, if you've had to jump start it, then I would. Yeah, man, she's struggling. I'm no fit to the flare, but it's no happy. And you feel it getting a pulsing. Runs smooth. Obviously, with no power steering whatsoever. I'm going to wipe this off. That's off. What the hell? Right, but that's off. Oh, for God's sake, no. Not with that one. It's not a happy wee Citroen. Not a happy wee Citroen. It's a 4-banger French engine, mate. Look, it's got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like an Audi, I should have bought an Audi. 4 cylinders, that wet belt. I don't know, is that a chain? Is that a chain in there? I don't know. So, quality DS, go back to garage now. Aye, still heavy. Eh? We can only but try. This one's, somebody's had a helicoil in it before. And it come back out. Ooh, don't know about that, like, let's try it and see. Let's try and see. So, a wee Citroen, unexpected reinitialisation. But these are the two, probably no power steering, ECU comms, no comms with a battery, state of charge. Out of there. No bueno. Oh, I'll try to turn it off. See, I bet it's because it's running. Turn G off. Ignition on. Hey. No, still no talk to that. So I've got a copy of the fault codes anyway. Nope. Oh, God's sake. Trying to raise. That's interesting. Engine ECU. Well, it'll be a breather issue probably. Yeah, clean out the brake cleaner on that. Ah, right. I'm talking to half of that. French quality. The big hammer there. Brake cleaner, where'd I have it? Where'd I have it? Up at that anyway, back bench maybe. Right, so that's done, quick erase. Yes. Let's clear those codes. Oh, not do the radio. So definitely Got some issues. Just the bulk oil, just that tank oil there. So battery, no comms, engine ECU. Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll go with that. Oh, right, cool. Woofed. Jesus. Jesus. I did say it was the running right. I did say that engine wasn't going right. I think we'll save all these and report back on what's actually happening here. I think we'll need to clear all these and do some more driving away, I don't know. I think we'll stick a battery in this. So put the battery in the DS, as expected, still no power steering. So rescan. See what's in, let's talk to engine this time. There's no faults in that at the minute that I can hear from here, it's not running good. Yeah, it's not running great. So a new battery, that's a crap one. Definitely knackered. I'm going to hold the charge overnight. So, right, so here's what we're going to be looking at. No communication rate, power steering ECU, battery state of charge unit. Yeah, so I think we'll definitely need to check it back. Information sent by steering wheel, angle sensor and received on the CAN network that are invalid. Permanent faults, stays free, vehicle distance, LiDAR, that's your radar detector. Radial faults, not really concerned by that. Right, we're going to look at these two today, I think. So, that's knackered. No communication with power steering, ECU, so that's knackered. No continuity there, you can see it, so wobbly. So, why is it blowing? Rack got too tight, and that's why it's popped. What is that, an 80? 60? Not sure. Padlock, is that a padlock? I don't know. Maybe by Jamie will be able to shed some light on that. Lay white for lay French shite. So, put that lock tight cap back on. So that's happy there. That red wire, which possibly could be down to the back. Not sure what this is either. It's a wee strange looking fuse in there.